everybody in this room. Agree?
Yes. Yes.
So you should take this as just like a fun. Everybody in this room are the winners. It's already, you proved it because you know how many processes you have crossed. Alright, so it's not like this day is going to change something for you. This is just like, you're among the 25, which is the best. But that doesn't mean that you guys are not the best. Alright, that is something which you have to keep it in mind. And to start with, what we are going to do today, already Adam has shared out the list of teams, what time you are going to present, etc. You have already shared your presentations.
So what if we can predict these road hazards? The drivers will be alerted with several gains. Firstly, we can prevent deaths and injuries, which means that the lives can be saved. Reduced braking will be done, so fuel savings can be done for about 3 to 7%. Reduced suspension and tire damage will be done, so wear and tear will also be saved. Unified hazard visibility will be there for Google Maps and other navigation systems. A better navigation will be provided, which means that we can drive comfortably, and a faster maintenance will be done by municipal cycles to work on.
So our mission is to make every road globally safe, self-monitoring, self-learning and safer to drive using federated AI plus edge sensing to detect and map hazards in real time.
To our knowledge, no country, company or platform has deployed this end-to-end at a global scale. And so we are the first in the world to create an intelligent digital twin of global road networks.
Introducing our ecosystem of Pi products. Namely, we have Pi app for smartphone level safe driving assistance. Then we have Pi kit. Then we have Pi pod for car dashboard level. Introducing the family of Pi products. We have Pi app for smartphone level safe for smartphone. We have Pi app for smartphone only sensing safe driving assistance. Then we have Pi pod for car dashboard level sensor. Then we have Pi kit as a wheel level sensor array. And finally we have Pi DAR, which works as a B2B communication protocol for vehicle detection and collision avoidance. We are using GPS and motion sensors to implement AI on the edge, and by integrating federated learning and cloud aggregation, we have built an API layer for navigation and maps. So the tools and we are not proposing a new feature. We are not.
So we are not proposing another feature. We are proposing a new intelligence layer for Google Maps.
मतलब ये अंदर जैसे बहुत होता है ना वॉइस बदल गई
on the edge hardware ESP32 Nano 33 clearly sense and the motion
last heading
highlighted also.
बस ये वाला part edge hardware है we have this खत्म.
In the edge hardware we have used ESP32 for motion sensing and local inference. We have a mobile app for data fusion and driver advisory, and we have cloud AI for aggregation and predictive reasoning, and V2VMS for direct for low latency hazard sharing. And for visualization, we have Google Maps API, Looker Studio dashboard for users and agencies. And for the sensor placement, you can see here, this is my car, Hector car. So it has 4 mounted sensor nodes which capturing the real-time data. You can see here, and there is a Pi stack which is used for user interference. And you can see from here, cloud backend will update the real-time hazards for the user experience, and it will update into the flag alerts like caution, pothole ahead, 100 meter, and Pi app, Pi pod, Pi kit for the whole Pi family.
So before we go for the demo, we are happy to next slide पे जाओ.
We are happy to
तुम ही बोल दो. Tell you that we have gathered significant amount of data. Right, we have visualized, analyzed, pre-processed, and then finally the whole product family has come.
Yes.
So please welcome for the demo.
18 seconds. अच्छा 18 seconds. 5 मिनट का नहीं टाइम है.
अरे उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा हम लोग
मैं बता रहा हूँ ये जोड़ी गड़बड़ कर रही है.
अच्छा
and Google AI platform.
कर रहे हैं क्या मतलब पढ़ रहे हैं.
हाँ तुम लोग ज़्यादा लंबा खींच रहे हो. नहीं खींच रहे.
बस कम बोल रहा है.
ठीक है, और ये वीडियो
हम लोग इतना बकवास करने के बाद भी 5 मिनट में
नहीं तो कम करो,
हाँ, कम
नहीं
करना
करना है हमको। हमको 3 मिनट में खत्म करना है।
तो 5 मिनट हो जाओ ना, 3 मिनट का टाइम।
चलो देखो, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ। हाँ, टाइमर चलो।
1 2 3
Good morning everyone, we are Planet AI, which stands for Predictive Learning and Network Edge Technologies for AI Mobility. We are a vibrant team from variety of disciplines. So sir, actually the reported road accidents in the past 5-7 years in Saudi Arabia, we had around 2.89 million accidents. In India, 2.4 million accidents, and globally it amounts to around 60 million road accidents. And most interestingly, unfortunately, the fatalities have been almost 30,000 fatalities in Saudi Arabia, 0.85 million in India, and globally it amounts to around 6 million. And the most unfortunate part of this thing is that almost 30 to 40% of the road accidents are linked with poor and unpredictable road conditions, which include pothole, speed breakers, rough roads, etc. We have gathered this data from WHO website. So the question is, what if we can predict such road hazards? So number one, the drivers can be alerted with several gains, like life is saved, fuel will be saved, wear and tear will be saved, and there will be a unified hazard visibility on Google Maps, OpenStreetMaps and otherwise, and then of course it will provide driving comfort and better navigation. And certainly it will enhance the municipal recovery and repair cycle. So sir, our mission is to make every road globally self-monitoring, self-learning and safer to drive using federated AI and edge sensing to detect and map hazards in real time. In fact, to our knowledge, no country, company or platform has deployed this end-to-end at a global scale, and so we are the world's first. We are the first in the world to have created an intelligent digital twin of global road networks. So in the ecosystem of Pi, we have entry-level personal driving assistant, we have dashboard-level safe driving assistant, we have advanced SDA, and we have Pi concept-based detection and ranging system. So we use motion sensors, GPS sensors, and AI on the edge to provide inferences through federated learning and cloud on the our system. And finally, we publish navigation maps and government dashboards that show road hazards. Regarding the tools and platforms, we have used edge hardware, we have developed mobile app, cloud AI, V2V communication protocols, and we have developed visualization systems as well. Okay. Regarding the sensor placement, नहीं एक चीज़ और
मैं बोलूँ क्या?
सुनो ना,
सिर्फ मैं
नहीं एक काम, अरे अब तो नहीं कर सकते, तुम बोलोगी?
सिर्फ मैं बोलूँ क्या?
विवेक ऐसा करो, इसको पूरा बोल देते फट
बीच में एक एक दो दो लाइन आप लोग बोलो कि 3
नहीं, वो है ना वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट, वो वाला तुम लोग बोल दो, क्योंकि अपने को 5 मिनट में खत्म
सबको एक जैसे वो जितना वो बोल लिए ना नैना उतना हम लोग बोलते हैं, सिंपल एक
नहीं वही तो
जितना नैना बोली उतना हम लोग बोल देते हैं। जैसे
एक स्लाइड नहीं तो वही तो कह रहे हैं, सुनो ना, विवेक ऐसा है, इसको पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन दे दो। जैसे ही अवर मिशन, सुनो अपना मैं बताता हूँ, जैसे ही अवर मिशन खत्म हो, अवर मिशन की स्लाइड आएगी तो नैना बोलेगी, उसके बाद फिर काम चलेगा, फिर जैसे ही मैप वाला पार्ट आएगा तो उसमें उछल के वो जो बोलना है ना, टू अवर बेस्ट नॉलेज दिस इज द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट, या तो तुम बोल दो, बहुत स्ट्रांगली बोलना है, ठीक है? फिर चाहो तो एक आध स्लाइड तुम कवर कर लो, फिर इसको कंटिन्यू कर ले लो।
नहीं कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। मैं तो सब आपको शॉर्ट कर दिया सर, एक बार इधर
नहीं यहाँ आ जाओ ना, यहाँ आ जाओ, चलो
11 बज गए।
मैं अपना बताता हूँ ना।
रुक जाओ एक, अरे दिल तेरा मेरा इश्क जला आ गया, आंधी बन के आया
अरे आंधी बन के आंधी गिर जाएगी वहाँ। यार बाबू।
We shall overcome.
We shall come someday.
Hakuna Matata. चलो हो जाए।
Everyone, we are Team Planet AI. Planet AI stands for Predictive Learning and Network Edge Technologies for AI Mobility. So we have the multidisciplinary team here. Now, road accidents from the year 2019 to 2025 in millions were 2.89 million in Saudi Arabia itself, 2.3 to 2.4 million in India, and 650 to 60 million globally. With this huge staggering data, fatalities were 30,000 in Saudi Arabia, 0.8 to 0.85 million in India, and 5.6 to 6 million globally. Among these road accidents, 30 to 40% of the road accidents were linked with poor and unpredictable road conditions, which include potholes, speed breakers, and rough roads, etc. Now, what if we can predict these road hazards? The drivers can be rated with several gains. We can prevent deaths and injuries, that means the lives can be saved. Reduced braking can be done, so fuel savings will be done for 3 to 7%. Reduced suspension and tire damage will also be done, that means the wear and tear will be saved. Unified hazard visibility will be there for Google Maps and other navigation systems. We'll have a better navigation, which means driving comfort, and faster maintenance can be done for municipal cycles to work on.
So, our mission is to make every road globally self-monitoring, self-learning, and safer to drive using federated AI+, sensing to detect and map hazards in real time.
So, to our knowledge, no country, company, or platform has deployed this end-to-end at a global scale, and so we are the first in the world to create an intelligent digital twin of global road networks.
Introducing the ecosystem of Pi products, we have Pi app for smartphone only sensing. Then we have Pi pod for car dashboard sensor device. We have Pi kit, which is a wheel level sensor array. And finally, the Pi Rider completes this family as a safe driving assistant for collision detection and vehicle directional awareness system. We are using motion sensors and GPS sensors to implement AI on the edge. And by using federated learning and cloud aggregation, we have developed an API layer for navigation maps and government dashboards.
So, we are not proposing another feature, we are basically proposing a new intelligence layer for Google Maps.
We have used tools and platforms as hardware for motion sensing and local inference, and we have mobile app, React Native based and Firebase for data vision and driver advisory, and we have cloud AI for aggregation and predictive reasoning, and V2MS for low latency hazard sharing and visualization, Google Maps API, Looker Studio dashboards for users and agencies. And you can see from here, in my car there is a 4 sensor node that is mounted on the 4 wheels, and there is a Pi stack user-based dashboard that will auto-updated from the cloud backend and and it will generate and it will caution you pothole ahead 100 meters. The real-world demo of Pi, and before going to the demo, we have collected the data of 64 kilometers, and for the visualization, there is an interactive map.
One of our present here, we are Team Open from India. So the problem we are trying to address is a global issue, which is food waste. So the problem we are trying to address is food waste. So the
अगर लैपटॉप लॉक हो जाए तो मुझे बताना है। अरे वहाँ दिखा देंगे। अरे 4 मिनट चलो चलो चलो। site got rescheduled.
Hello everyone,
So now
we're the team Planet AI. Planet AI here stands for Predictive Learning and Network Edge Technologies for AI Mobility. So here's my multidisciplinary team. Now, reported road accidents from the year 2019 to 2025, we have 2.89 million in Saudi Arabia, 2.3 to 2.4 million in India, and 50 to 60 million globally. Among these, the fatalities were 30,000 in Saudi Arabia, 0.8 to 0.85 million in India, and 5.6 to 6 million globally. Now, among these road accidents, the 30 to 40% of the road accidents are linked with poor and unpredictable road conditions. That are the potholes, speed breakers, and rough roads. So, to solve this, what if we can predict these road hazards? So, the drivers can have several gains, right? So, we can prevent the deaths and injuries, the lives can be saved. We can have reduced braking, so fuel savings will be done for about 3 to 7%. We can have reduced suspension and tire damage, so wear and tear will also be saved. We can have a unified hazard visibility for the Google Maps and other navigation systems. We can have better navigation for the driving comfortability, and we can have faster maintenance for the municipalities' cycles to work on.
So, our mission is to make every road globally self-monitoring, self-learning, and safer to drive using federated AI plus edge sensing to detect and map hazards in real time.
Okay, so to our knowledge, no country, no company or platform has ever deployed this end-to-end global scale. So we are the first in the world to create an intelligent digital twin of the global road networks.
So this is the ecosystem of Pi products. We have Pi app, a smartphone-only sensing entry-level personal self-driving system. Then we have Pi pod, a car dashboard sensor-level device. Then we have Pi kit, which has wheel-level sensor array. And finally, this family is completed with PIDAR. This is a collision detection system by using directional awareness for B2B communication. Finally, geotagging for geotagging technology stack, we have used motion sensors and GPS sensors to implement AI on the edge. And by using federated learning and cloud aggregation, we have developed an API layer for navigation maps and government dashboards.
Actually proposing another feature, we are basically proposing a new intelligence layer for Google Maps.
So we have used tools and platforms like Edge hardware, like microcontrollers, SP32, Nano 33 BLE, and motion sensors for motion sensing and local inference. And we have created a mobile app, React Native based and EF-like based, which for the data fusion and driver advisory. And we have cloud AI for integration and predictive reasoning. And V2VMS for collision avoidance, direct for low latency hazard saving, and we have visualization, Google Maps API, local studio dashboard for users agencies. And this is our car where we have mounted our 4 sensor nodes for the real-time data capture. So this is the user-based dashboard where the cloud backend update the real-time hazards and that will caution the user pothole at 100 meter and it is for our whole Pi family. And before going to the demo video, we have already captured 64 kilometers of data. You can see from it, and we have generated interactive map for the road hazards.
And Google AI platform, capturing all the data in real time. So far we have captured data for about 64 kilometers, and so this is sensor node 1, this is sensor node 2 placed at the 2 rear wheels of the SUV, and this is the whole team. We have a centralized server system where all the data set is coming, and this is our another sensor node which is placed on the left side of the front wheel. So this is node number 3, which has accelerometer along with the GPS also. So we have this, and then we have the third node, fourth node placed at the right front wheel of the SUV. So we went 5 meters. You can see that the speed breaker is not well marked. So oh my God, we had the first speed breaker. icebreaker. So
Time is up.
yes, we had
Time is up. Let's move to the judges' questions.
Okay, thank you very much. Actually, it's very interesting and very colorful presentation. My feedback actually, the application can be linked to the traffic police, so rather than to the normal user, okay, for example, because sometimes you are taking this way but you cannot avoid it. But this is if we can link it to the traffic polices, just give their like a reporting, we have hazard here, so can be reported. I think this will be much more worthy. This is number one. Number two is your implementation is about the sensors, but when you put the sensor on that level, I think it's not really accurate. Okay.
No, yeah, we are actually dealing that using our PyKit.
Yeah.
PyKit actually, our plan is to use PyKit on the axle level of wheels.
Yeah.
So basically, whichever frequencies the wheel are tracing,
Okay.
the same energy will be transferred to the kit itself.
Okay.
The sensor will read the unfiltered data, so that way we can get the most out of it.
Okay, this is number one. Number two, maybe you can use another part, is using part of image processing. Okay, so this can detect the roughness of the surface. So can detect if you have a problem here, straight away can capture and can. This is also can be worked. And also the sensors, the place of the sensors, what I see it there. So what the kind of sensors you use it there?
Yeah, motion sensors.
Motion sensor. But the motion sensor is not that accurate actually.
We are using 60-50.
60-50. Do you think it's enough?
Kind of for the proof of concept, it is enough. When we will scale our project.
We are actually planning our PCB out of this. So this is a prototype phase. So if we develop a proper PCB here, then yeah, that's.
The idea is nice. The idea is there. Okay.
Thank you.
It's very, very interesting project. That's why we give a feedback. Maybe this is for the future. You can improve and you can change even the detecting for the any issues over there. Good luck all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
One quick question,
Yes, sir.
please. Now, if we have the map already, where does your AI part take role in this data?
Sir?
Where the AI part will take role in
Yes,
this data?
so
How it will
AI basically takes the sensor inputs and processes it and says it whatever, if it's a pothole, if it's a seat breaker, if it's a rough road patch, or if any new kind of input or any new kind of class that we haven't discovered yet, or people are facing. Like, for example, use cases in Saudi Arabia are very different than the use cases in India. So for Saudi Arabia, there will be entirely different classes of hazards, road hazards. So the AI will be detecting which class of the road hazard is falls in.
So do you?
Yes, we have.
We do our sensor.
So based on the motion only, you can detect all of that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can we have already implemented it in the. You can see from there, and the data will go into the we have deployed different types of results models.
Time is up. Time is up.
Thank
Thanks
you
to
very
the
much, sir.
teams for their presentations.
Thank you, Team Planet AI, for your presentation. Up next, please welcome Team GPT-5.
बधाई
कैसा था सर? अच्छा था ना? हम लोग अच्छा किए ना? गड़बड़? पर अभी तो बोल देते हैं। अरे
The team shall start.
Hello everyone, we are Team GPT-5 and today we are here to present Hackathon AI.
यहाँ बीच में रखो ना
Now,
उसको लगाओ, नहीं फ्रेम लगाओ।
नहीं
Thank you so much.
now let's start water. Do you know that 70% of agricultural water is wasted. At the same time, in the KSA, less than 2% of the world's renewable water supply.
कार के जैसे रखो ना, चार
Dependent
जगह
heavily on
व्हील के जैसे।
non-renewable aquifers with only
उसको पीछे
50
करो,
to
उस पे आगे करो।
75 years remaining.
नहीं पीछे
In
जाओ,
this case,
go it back।
if water is so precious, why are we waste more of it? And that's why AgriSense AI, as an intelligent water management
एक
system,
डेढ़ मिनट तुम दोनों ने
it
बढ़ाया।
offers a way to, first of all, to identify the best
ये
time
रुक ही नहीं
to irrigate. Second, to calculate the exact amount of water needed. Then it recommends which field exactly to irrigate first.
So, as you can see here, our system follows a closed group approach where we sense, we analyze, and then we act. In brief, sense AI model processes the information in the cloud. And finally, the system delivers the clear irrigation decision. For now, we'll skip the demo for more interesting things.
ब्राइटनेस बढ़ा लो।
In fact, AgriSense AI is built with
ये चार्जर लगाओ ना मेरे।
using several Google Cloud technologies such as Vertex AI for model training and prediction, Google storage for agricultural data, etc.
So we trained our AI models using Vertex AI or DualNow, and then we based our decisions on a very rich data set that combines environmental data like soil moisture, agricultural context data like soil type and crop type, and then information about farms like farm size and irrigation history. All this to be able to make decisions on whether to irrigate or not, when to irrigate, the optimal amount, the optimal time for irrigation, the optimal amount of water per hectare, and then the amount of water saved with our solution. For conducting feasibility study, we explored the following three dimensions, starting by the technical feasibility domain, and for technical feasibility.
बट एक और अच्छा हो गया, डेमो पूरा चल। ये जो 1 मिनट तुमने खाया ना, उसकी वजह से डेमो पूरा नहीं। अगर नहीं करते तो वो डेमो चल जाता। एक्सपर्ट का आंसर भी जैसे ही उसने ओके कहा, ही इज ओके, ऑल करेक्ट, राइट? तो तुरंत अगले क्वेश्चन के लिए रुक जाओ। क्या है, 8 मिनट में वो स्ट्रिक्टली रोक रहे थे, अब तुम 8 में पूरा डेमो ही दिखा दो, खत्म, राइट? इट वॉज लाइक दिस। तुम्हारा बढ़िया था, तुमने ठीक बोल दिया, मैं इसका ही सोच रहा था कि ये उलट जाएगी।
So मैं तो देख रही थी ना, so today
ये पहले ऐसे सिचुएशन
और नैनी का हेड्स ऑफ टू नैनी। अगर मैं तो कहता हूँ कोई नहीं बोलता, ये 3 मिनट में ख़त्म भी कर देती और पूरा हो जाता। तो नेक्स्ट टीम लीडर के लिए आई अप्रूव। अगली बार भी फ्रंट में इसी को धक्का देंगे, समुद्र में सांप और कौन धक्का दिया तो हम लोग देंगे इसी को धक्का। चलो जाओ। हाँ।
team of years from University of Milan, Italy, and we present Safe Road Gemini application, an AI-powered road safety intelligence platform. Our focus is on one simple question: how we can detect road safety risks before accidents happen. So, every 24 seconds, another life is lost due to road accidents around the globe. Road infrastructure deteriorates continuously, but safety assessments is still discrete, delayed, and manual. Our solution bridges the gap between deteriorating infrastructure and human safety by automating safety standards. Safe Road Gemini uses vision language models to analyze citizens' uploaded road images in real time. It detects surface defects like cracks, potholes, it identifies broken lights, signals, vandalized signboards, and predict road safety risk in alignment with International Road Assessment Program standards. Our solution aligns directly with Vision 2030 and KSA which adopts the Global Star Rating methodology by IRAP, to achieve the goal of 3-star or safer roads by the end of 2030. So, by the end of 2030, the roads in Saudi Arabia won't be just parts of transit, but benchmarks of global safety.
Thank you, Korea. Here is our end-to-end automated pipeline that replaces slow and manual road inspection with AI-driven intelligence. We have a solid real-world images and we have collected the data from the defected output. These images are analyzed using vision language model, Gemini 3 Pro, and we have been using the defect road damage, it detects the road damage automatically, and then the system performs a dual layer of analysis. It measures the severity of physical road defects. It estimates actual crash risk. All detections are issued and mapped with respect to global IRAP standards, producing our objective risk score and star rating. Finally, the pipeline generates an instant safety report and automates the road attribute scoring, helping authorities and municipalities move from manual inspection to much faster action. The entire system is built on Google AI Studio and powered by Google Gemini and scaled on Google Cloud. On the left, we have the citizens interface where the citizens can come and report the road hazards whenever they see it on road and in just a few clicks. On the right hand side, we have the admin dashboard for the local authorities to come and check for the road hazards and fix it instantly for the safer road. Now we are going to see a quick video demonstration of our application. We have created a simple yet powerful mobile application for our users and local authorities and municipalities. We are going to click the pictures and report it directly to the local authorities using the admin panel, admin dashboard. And from here, we are going to dispatch the workers towards the fixment of the road, and they can recommend some fixes as well and give us automatic attribute coding. Now we are going to, in this one, we are collecting the real-time data. Our platform collects real-time data from the users to actively train itself and improving the model accuracy over time. We have tested the model over 10,000 images and use active learning methods that makes the system scalable, sustainable, and suitable for citywide development. Here we are
लेकिन ये मैनुअल है
Here we are this is the actual demo for our application in the cracks and potholes, vandalizing signboards, traffic signals, and fading road marks.
Alright, being an IRAP certified and accredited practitioner in road attribute coding, I emphasize automating this practice in Saudi Arabia to calculate road star rating, which estimate crash risk for different road users. Here on the left, we can see software beta demonstrator where trained analysts manually code road attributes from images and videos. And on the right, we can see how OSRAP by Australia uses this approach to identify high-risk road across New South Wales for giving road star ratings. And this is the interface showing how we integrate road attribute coding into road safety.
Time is up. Let's move to the judges' questions.
Welcome to this questions.
हम API layer बना रहे हैं
So what set you apart from use of shared data on Google?
So you are not audible.
What set you apart from use of shared data in Google? Because you can do it in Google, right? You can upload the data.
We are using the data from the data set from Kaggle, and we are collecting real-time data. But in the Google, we don't have the data of the portals. We're trying to actively collect the data on the users which they are running on the road. So it will be actively training from itself, and then we'll have the real-time data. So local authorities can go and fix that road instantly, or any object on the road which is damaged by any means, and that can prevent road accidents.
Okay, so to get it straight, so you have your engine, and through your engine and through the uploaded data, you're gonna rate roads, right?
We have the model running as well on our software, and we can detect it using the Gemini model, and it's detecting the potholes itself, which is seen in the slide, and other objects of the road, which can prevent and make the road safer for all of us.
And this application will also help in Saudi Arabia road assessment program to optimize the road coding so that they can classify their roads on easier or safer one by giving them star ratings.
Okay, and you are replicating the Australian, similar model in Australia, right? Australian system.
क्लोज कॉल हो रहे बहुत सारे क्लोज कॉल्स आ रहे हैं बहुत सारे
So I'd like to know that once
क्वांटम ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन उसी पे ही तो सभी लोग क्लिक करते हैं.
The accuracy of your model, how much did you score? We're using the Gemini model itself, so we're testing with the data sets which we collected. The accuracy which we got was 95%, and it was quite well. We're testing with the other models of the large language, but Gemini was giving us better results.
So do you know the F1 score? Have you used it?
We did the F1 recall, and that was something, but later on when we tried to rerun with the few short learning, it gave us a good results. The F1 score improved quite a lot.
Gemini is performing very well in this task because it's also on the top on the arena leaderboard currently.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for the presentation.
Time is up. Let's move to the next theme.
While the judges are finalizing their evaluations, we will now move on to our prize round. We will be announcing 2 winners, and we kindly ask each winner to come forward to receive their prize. Our first winner is...
अच्छा ये रैंडम व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून चल रहा है.
Please come forward to receive your prize.
रजिस्टर करने पे बस.
हाँ रजिस्टर करना मैंने 2 बार किया. आज वाला किया है? हाँ आज वाला.
जाओ सारा
मैं तो नहीं किया.
कहाँ है भाई सारा दस आ नहीं जाओ.
अरे ये रहा पहला गुडीज मिलेगा इसको.
कुछ भी दे भाई.
तुम्हारा नाम नहीं है नैनी?
मैं बेड पे स्टिकर कलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. मेरे कॉलेज में स्टार्टिंग में
And now, let's move on to our second winner. Our second winner is...
नलिनी सिंह राजपूत.
विवेक कुमार, नूपुर सिंह, अमृतलाल पासवान,
Mohammed Ayan.
Congratulations.
And please come forward to receive your prize.
ये तो प्रेजेंटेशन देनी भी नहीं है. कॉस्ट का है सर ये तो. किंग अब्दुल्ला इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी.
Congratulations to our winners.
and thank you to everyone who participated. At this time, we kindly ask all participants to remain seated as we prepare for the awards and closing ceremony.
उनने पहले से वो निकाल के रखा है 4-5 स्टोरी को ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है
महावीर सुमति निवार सुमति के संग कंचन वरण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे काले मूंज जने साज शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप
अरे मामा जी से तो बात कर रहे एक बार जल्दी
मामा जी बोले थे
बात कर लो हाँ
Awards and the closing ceremony. Before we announce the winning team, we would like to extend a special welcome to our distinguished leaders, Dr. Hamad Segga, President of KFUPM. And everyone on the stage.
हाँ कुछ रुको इवेंट देखो बस बोलेंगे और आपने गाना से क्यों लगा
سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. It really gives me great pleasure to participate in this distinguished event and to witness the final outcome of the event, as I couldn't witness the opening, unfortunately. So I feel at least that I am paying back a little bit of the dues I owe to the organizers and the participants. KFUPM is exceptionally pleased to have organized this event. An event that drew over 2,200 applicants from over 60 countries, and they were filtered down into the contestants that we see today and the winners that we are going to celebrate in a couple of minutes. KFUPM is very pleased to be a very fast university. In fact, fast is one of the most important pillars of our values. This university went from having students from 13 countries 6 years ago to over 80 countries, 80 nowadays, to having faculty members from over 60 countries, from being number 25 in the Middle East and Africa 6 years ago to number 1 in the Middle East and Africa, from number 200 worldwide in 2019 or 6 years ago to number 67 currently, with huge, fast leaps that reflect how progressive and quick and expedient this institution is, and it wants to be even faster and quicker and more expedient. KFUPM also is an organization that welcomes partnerships, and I would like to recognize our partner in this event, Google Cloud. KFUPM wants to also have participants from around the globe, not only as contestants, but also as judges and organizers. And I'd like to thank the organizers, not only the organizers, but our esteemed judges for their contribution to this event. I'd like this to be not just a one-shot event, but something that recurs all the time at this university, in which we see students from around the globe participate, compete, and challenge each other to be crowned the victorians of this competition, and for frequent visits more and more. And some of you may join us in some of our programs, whether at the graduate level, PhD, master degree, and other programs as well. So thank you very much for the organizers, thank you very much for our partner, thank you very much for the judges, and thank you very much for the contestants, applicants, and those who made it to today's event. And we hope to see much more of you in the future. Thank you.
We honor Google Cloud for their collaboration and contribution. We want to thank Engineer Jiten SL. You may welcome on the stage. The judges, thank you for your efforts and your contribution. You may welcome on the stage for a moment of recognition.
भगवान ऐसी सारी सफलताएं तुम लोगों को हमेशा दे। तुम मेहनत करो।
Professor Ming Wei Ju, Mr. Abdullah Dal'an, Mr. Walid Al-Khair, Dr. Fahad Al-Muslim, Dr. Fawaz Al-Azmi, Dr. Muhammad Al-Sheikh.
1, 2, 3 है ना? 1, 2, 3 है।
And would like one person from each table to say which country are they coming from. Can we do that loud? Just to get some energy in the room, right? So I'm gonna start with the table on the back, and then we'll do our way like kind of zigzagging way. Go ahead, speak up. Which country? Pakistan. Pakistan. Big hand for Pakistan. Second. Kuwait. 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 Oman. Nice to have you. Philippines. Big hand. Nepal. Thank you for coming. India. Thank you, India. Great. India, very dominating country. Thank you. Saudi Arabia, big hand. Tunis, big hand for Tunis. Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, big hand for Nigeria. India, bigger hand for India now. The technical. Hong Kong. USA, big hand for USA. Next. Sorry, I love that excitement. Go ahead. Nepal. Singapore, sorry. Big hand. Big hand, sorry. India, big hand for India. USA. Welcome. Kuwait. England. Saudi, big hand again for Saudi. Italy. How can I say welcome to Italy? Prego. Indonesia. What a diverse group. Look, we got all the countries now, right? Am I missing anybody? Oh, we have one more. Okay. Colombia.
Colombia.
Okay, excellent. This is a great diversity, and as Dr. Sagram mentioned, the university has been growing in terms of content, opportunities, whether it's a postdoc, whether it's a graduate degree, participation with IDEA. If you go back to your university, and we hope you go with a beautiful ambassadorship about Saudi Arabia and KFUPM, if you go back and have an idea, you'd like to organize a hackathon or come and visit, please keep in touch. We can maybe creatively think of ways to have our faculty and students interact with each other. We really appreciate what our judges have done today. It is definitely challenging. It's challenging to judge a technical committee, but more challenging, a technical competition, but even more challenging to sit here for almost 12 hours, I think, and sometimes facing the sun. So another big hand to our esteemed judges that inspired us today and took some of the valuable time. The team has promised to have the results coming now. I committed to our president that the results are ready, so I feel like I did not deliver, Abdullah. You know what, if they don't have any winners, we'll just take the awards ourselves. I'll call my team in. How far are we?
अरे मजाक कर रहे हैं, आप बताएंगे।
मैंने अपना प्रेजेंटेशन का YouTube भेजा है, देख लिया
मैंने अपने प्रेजेंटेशन का YouTube।
Okay, so what else can we talk about? I attended half of the session this morning, and this is not to inflate reality. The quality of the technical submissions were very pleasantly surprising. The technical depth, the prototypes, the technical dialogue. I think this was noticeable, right? Excellent. Jeffrey. Okay, well, let's count together, count down for the winner. So we'll start with 10, okay? So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is?
We will announce it in a more exciting way. And now, Dr. Hamid Segab, you may again please us with your presence on this stage to announce the winners.
Let's get the lights. Oh my God.
The third place award goes to Manara. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Vision Ray.
घड़ी बनाई थी, ये देखो घड़ी, घड़ी बनाई।
Congratulations, Team Vision Board. Vision Ray.
वाह, $3,000.
अरे यार ये क्या पागल ही गए
जितनी से वीडियो देखे तुम्हारा
And now, moving on to the second place award. The second place award goes to Intelligence! Intelligence from Philippines!
$5,000.
Congratulations, Team Intelligence. And now, for the moment we all have been waiting for, the first place award of the Intelligence Planet Hackathon goes to Manila! $7,000.
No, wait. Before the check, we are not giving you checks. There is something very special about him, so let's maybe explore that. I'd like to ask each one to say their name and where are they from. Quickly.
I'm Khasa Saeed Al-Jabari from Sultanate of Oman. I'm Srimugi, originally from India, studying in Oman.
from Iraq. Stay home.
I'm Jarman Hafiz, I'm from Bangladesh, but I'm also studying in
I'm Mohammed Sadiq Khan from Pakistan, I'm also studying in Oman.
So it's a Romani team with 5 different countries. We love that. Thank you. You can take your check now.
Congratulations to our champions, Team Manila. Thank you, Dr. Muhammad Al-Sayyaf, for your time. Congratulations to our champions, Team Manala. Participants, you may not win, but you made a great effort for making this hackathon a great success. Please welcome us on the stage for a group photo.
We would like half of the teams to please come on the bottom and the rest of the teams to go on the top. We will do 3 lines. The first line sitting down, the second line on their knees, and then the third line standing up. And then here we'll have 2 lines. 3 lines on the top. 1 sitting down, 1 on their knees, and 1 standing up. And down, we would like 2 lines. If you could please come here. On the bottom line, the tall people in the back and the shorter people in the front. There's space here on the left. Yes, 2 lines. If there's no place, we can make a 3rd line on the top. But I think there's enough.
Please say Intelligent Planet Hackathon on one sound. 3, 2, 1. Please do it again. 3, 2, 1.
Where's your energy? I want it louder. 3, 2, 1.
On the right side, actually.
The certificates will be given on the light.
अच्छा आप लोगों ने कलेक्ट कर लिए
Ladies and gentlemen,
get your videos, huh? Thank you.
Thank you.
सर्टिफिकेट्स ले लो, सर्टिफिकेट्स मिल रहे हैं ना, go and get the certificates. अरे सर्टिफिकेट्स मिल रहे हैं, वो मैम ले आई ना, उधर कहीं मिल रहे हैं या तो बाहर मिल रहे हैं.
Please, all volunteers and organizers, come on the stage. You were key partners. You were the key partner in executing this event. So please, this is the only one I enjoy in the picture. So you better come up.
The final time is up.
Once again, congratulations to all the winning teams and to every participant who took a role in this hackathon. Your ideas and teamwork truly reflect on the spirit of the Intelligent Planet Hackathon. Thank you all for joining us, and this officially concludes the Intelligent Planet Hackathon 2020. We wish you all continued success, and we look forward to see the impact of your ideas in the future. My name is Leverson, and I'm honored to serve as a master ceremony in this evening.
अब ये पहला एक्सपीरियंस था, अभी बहुत मेहनत करनी है. बधाई हो, बहुत बहुत बधाई हो है, तुम लोग यहाँ तक आए. So the party time begins now. Yeah, so nice, well organized.
Thank you.
It was so
Thank you.
nice.
Thank you. Really good to have you all.
Yeah.
Good to have you.
चलो हम लोग विनर्स तो हैं.
सर्टिफिकेट अभी थोड़ी देर बाद फोटोग्राफी के बाद उधर मिलेंगे राइट साइड से.
चलो कांग्रेचुलेशंस. यहाँ आना बहुत बड़ी बात है.
यस. Thank you so much. We did a lot.
I just completed a fight.
We
saw.
not only that.
Yeah, we
No,
saw.
we saw. They were so possessive.
Team Bruce.
Actually, he had invited his whole family, all the family.
That is their problem. That is not my problem.
Exactly, it's a little it's not right.
Things are
You,
so...
let me tell you something. Even you guys got awards.
Yes, yes.
Have you projected it?
No, of
I'm
course.
telling them, like, man, if you keep on saying that, like, I have the God, even the idiots who are sitting as judges, they're from academician, they will think, oh, this guy got a very good, so I need to put the marks. This is how it is. So they're saying, you're thinking that is the best. I said, I don't care about it. For me, it is not qualified enough, even personally. So, Jitin personally, took it in person. You say anything. What I did is ethically right.
Yes.
If you have not put your photos here, it's a different story.
Correct.
You present your solution, go away if you got it.
Yes, yes.
I got funded by Deep Minds, you got overselling.
That is, in fact,
Was not the point.
Irrelevant. There was no reason.
They have just taken an ego tag. Like, got funded by Google and
Somewhere they have to fail, right?
Yes.
I told them, don't repeat it. Who you are to say? If you do it, you do it. Somebody like Jitin will be sitting in the other table, right? He will come and screw you. See, even see, I can say that you guys did this demo, you showed to somebody, you could have got prices here, but it is not selling here. It is something like you're saying to the whole world, I got 100 prices for the same project, now you also give me the price.
In fact, when they presented with by 1-2 minutes and complete things were resolved, I said this is the value of 1 single minute failure. If we had completed, our probability might have increased significantly. This is from where we learn.
Let me
we
ask
never
you,
know what
being a professor, tell me what edit is right or wrong.
It is absolutely perfect. There is so much so to do, present and implement. And in fact, even after that, you can never finally claim that I am going to be the winner.
That's why I asked him, who told you was the winner? Yeah, do you know our work? When you come here, I said, who told you will be the winner?
Yes, correct. But this is from where we learn how to present, how to be even humble, how to be polite, how to present, how to present even more efficiently. Even the winners, it was not well counted automatically. I mean, everyone presented. We had many other teams. We were doubtful. They will be the winners. Absolutely. And eventually they did not turn out to be the winners. Absolutely. Someone else became the winner. So everything is act of God, very thin line. Who will win, who will not.
Even the 3 teams, 2 teams are managed by me.
Yes.
The Filipino team was managed. And Filipino team I know very well. My reading was, you guys will get the first.
Right.
I was thinking in my mind. Then I was thinking the Filipinos will get 3. And in between there will be someone.
Correct.
Okay. And even yesterday, I know that this Pakistani team will get screwed by me. I know that very well. I'll tell you why. You know, the way yesterday he was talking about we were funded overselling, I thought,
Yes.
you will give me a chance.
In fact, this was the kind of body language even we had perceived when we were having lunch or dinner, or we were seeing them elsewhere.
Yeah,
It is the same kind of body language. I mean, sometimes the vibe comes out.
Absolutely. Intelligence. Where are these guys? Can you call those intelligence guys?
With Adam or the people who are back?
Oh, coffee. I love.
He is going somewhere. Congratulations. Finally. I'm happy. These guys were really humble. I mentored them. They were really humble. They were in the interest of learning things, doing things. Your hard work paid. What next? We will discuss once you guys go to Philippines. We'll connect again. Thank you. Take care. When are you flying back? We'll connect. Thank you. Take care. Thank you. You know, they have this, initially when this team we selected, everybody was in the Philippines, you're bringing them, but they were literally humble, really humble. And their idea was, they haven't completely demonstrated. What it does is, like, if you put a question, it'll give the formula, and it starts, it'll animate it. It'll literally animate each piece by piece, and when you click on the pieces, it'll explain you what each piece is. It's very good for education. They are also good upset. I told every single team, don't get upset. It is just, come on, man. There are hundreds of events happening in this world. And imagine, now this guy is just rubbing with me. Some other day, he'll meet me in some other area, in some other event. Yes. I'll be the number one guy who will be, like, I know somebody in the judging seat. Correct. This guy is disqualified. At the end of the day, this is how world works.
Otherwise also, now we have completed this how do we take it forward for some CSR or some, I mean, since they have worked very hard.
I have chosen two ideas which I am trying to invest by myself.
Are we very good?
Like, because I think that this team is one of the team. Okay. Congratulations. There was no Indian team, otherwise this guy will come and say, you selecting all the Indian teams and you drilled it.
So how do we take it forward?
You want to make it commercialized?
Yes, literally.
Let us work on it, because the Philippines idea, I'm thinking to commercialize it. It's a really good idea. Even I can sell to my own customers.
Right.
Let us sit together and let us see how we can. We cannot do this like in a hardware job. We'll go together if you're free.
Yes.
What I was trying to say is like, maybe, because I'll be flying to India tomorrow evening.
Okay.
So let us connect sometime once I'm back from India.
How many days?
I'll be there till 15th.
Till 15th.
Then I'll come back. Maybe we can connect after that. Let us see like, how we can work on this, let's say, startup kind of thing.
Because they are these two boys, they are doing internship in IIT in June. They are in family. So I have in fact suggested them, rather than being a job seeker, let's pull it up as a startup. You work in your own startup and let us take it forward. I mean, when we have already done so very well, it is the high time when we take it from some precipitation must be there. And then work very hard. In fact, they have been working throughout the day and night and continuously they work. So
you guys can also put your post like, we did this in. Come on, guys. See, end of the day, there should be some. Even when you come in person, you should realize I should come and say all the stories. The common sense that I have been like, given awards and all that. I thought I have to screw this guy, and they gave me the chance for that. It is not that I did it. They gave me a chance like, there is a piece of cake. Why he wanted to put his photo?
There was no reason.
Okay, standing in front of Google, getting granted for $10,000. There are, you can also say it is funded by.
Yes, even we have funding on from Ministry of Information Technology as well as Ministry of Defense. Not exactly for this purpose, but they are using the same platform.
Absolutely. If you want to advertise, you can also come and advertise. We are also like, someday somebody had to fall down. Today is his falling. I told to Adam, I said, give that piece to me. If he asks, come and ask him. And next time he should learn. At least now he will regret in the next time. He is saying that he will do whatever I write. But at least I'm pretty sure the next hackathon he will think it twice. Should I really want to put it up?
But we are very happy that you engaged so many things. Finally, everything was put in shape.
Okay. It is like 3 months of effort. First global hackathon. It's fine. Even for me, I did with the company, for my customers, we do bigger ones. And first time we are doing for the students. Even I learned a lot of things like, what will be done next time, what we should not do. Did I ask him to bring his family? Is that my mistake? But that's what my question is. How do you know that you're going to win?
There is no question. I mean, it is only, it will generate peer pressure.
Here is that we Photo harassment. Presentation. Google and 10,000 grants. Photo
हम जाएंगे स्टेज पे हम लोग चलाएंगे टीम प्लानिंग
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಾಸ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ சிவம் வந்து மார்க்கெட்டிங் ஏன்னா நமக்கு நம்ம ஊர் பார்க்கும்போது தெரியுமே இப்போ அப்போ இவங்கெல்லாம் ப்ரைஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க நானும் கொடுக்குறாங்க இவங்க கொஞ்சம் விதிவிலக்கு இருக்கணும் அவர் இந்தியன் வந்து சொல்லி at least he did not forget me in his life. I was able to keep that momentum for him.
But I don't think that it was his first opportunity or first time he behaved like that. He might have been doing similar things in other places also.
Absolutely.
और एक जो वाइब दिखती है ना वो इसी तरह का एरोगेंसी वो हर जगह करता है.
They showed it too, like we were in the hotel, we saw a little vibe from them.
It was Jitin's individual decision. You can say Jitin's individual, you are burying your own grey hair. You can say anything. If tomorrow he goes and tells Google, this guy screwed us, I'll probably say yes, I screwed.
You can simply message everyone, please, we are going to have a poll. How am I? Just don't think about it.
No. For me, if he leaves this campus, it's all done.
Because we saw your gestures yesterday. It was just casually asked by him, you want to go by 2 or you want to stay till 6? Immediately, it was clear. So good people never need such.
Absolutely. This is where you need to control your patience and yes. You will in life, you will go through different situations. It is not necessary what you think should happen. Now the same guy, if he is going for a Google interview, somebody put him under the risk. If we go and pour fire on him, maybe he trust us.
Yes.
I think we should take a picture along with all the
Yes, why not? Yes. तो याद रहे कितना जाया करते थे। और बताओ ये क्या है? ये है 2 टीवी का फ़ोन लेने का फायदा। आज समझ में आया। जब आप 1 टीवी 2 टीवी लेते हो ना तो सोचना नहीं पड़ता कि आपका वीडियो कब बंद हो। इसमें पानी की बोतल होगी। प्रतिज्ञा या अपना कान का वो बाजा लगा के ट्रांस जाके मेरा बैग लिया ना नहीं ने पूछ लो।
चलो फोटो खींचते हैं।
मेरा बैग ले लिया ना निकाला वाला। और तुम्हारा?
मेरे पास अरे सर के सब
So you're running away with the check. How do you get this? They will contact us.
What's your level?
One is there.
I'm a
Are you a blogger?
नहीं यार, I'm trying to. I keep and I upload it in my private channel. I keep such videos so whenever I have to do some jogging or treadmill exercise, and when I recall my previous trip, I work on this.
You want something for memories?
Yeah?
You want something for memories?
Yeah.
Well, do it.
Yes, why not? Why not?
We'll do it now. आपको क्या ऐसे चाहिए जो मेमोरी में आपको चाहिए? We can do it together, right? That is what I'm suggesting. Content.
अरे काहे का content? Whatever I saw, I should be able to see it back. That is the thing. कहो तो जरा झूम लूं मचलती बहार में जी करता है। Yes. Yes. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिम लोक सागर राम अग्नि पुत्र पवन इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह
Inshallah, boys played well. अरे फोटोज
छोड़ो ये ना पूछो कि गूगल ने क्या किया चलो अगला गाना कौन गा रहा है? होगा आगे क्या, चल पड़े हैं यारो देखो फिक्र को उड़ा के। अरे ये मत करो यार अरे मर्दों वाला कुछ करना है भाई।
नहीं नहीं ये क्या
हमने तो देखा था बीच कहाँ, चलते चलते थक गए फिर यहाँ, अंत में लूलू मॉल भी आया नहीं, क्या करूं फिर क्या हुआ।
समझ रहे हैं?
हाँ चलो अब कौन सा गाना अगला? कोई मस्ती वाला गाना गा। मस्ती वाला गाना
कैरेक्टर ढीला है।
कहीं से शुरू तो करो गाना।
लॉलीपॉप लगे।
अरे
नहीं रुको रुको मैं वो बताता
टू
जी वाला
ये सॉरी सॉरी गाते हैं। नैना तो हरकतदार है, दिल में भी हरकतदार है।
चलो अब कहाँ कौन सी नई जगह पे फोटो ली है? नहीं गाना चाहिए
Yeah.
ओम शम शनिश्चराय नमः
Om Sham Shani Shaya Namaha.
नीलांजन
Neelanjan Samabhasam Kaviputram Yamagajam Chayamardam Sambhutam Tam Namami Shanisharam. Om Neelanjan Samabhasam Kaviputram Yamagajam Chayamardam Sambhutam Tam Namami Shanisharam. Jai
ओम
Shani
शम शनिश्चराय नमः